Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. Quick update on the rebuild of the 305 for the 65 CB77 Super Hawk. Trying to reassemble this side, the left side of this motor. There's a lot going on here, man. I've been referring to a number of manuals I'll show you here in a second. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of different things going on here. And what I'm really puzzling over is the main shift fork right now. I just want to make sure I've got everything in the right position here to go through all the gears. So wish me luck. I'm not finding a whole ton of really specific things about the orientation of that part right now, but once I figure it out, I'm good to go. I've got all my clutch plates and the friction discs all cleaned up. Those are all nice and wet right now, and I've got all this squared away as well for the main drive. There's this washer here. Probably spent a half hour researching which way this thing went. It's a convex up. All right, that's how that goes on that. So I'll be ready to rock on that. Got all the parts cleaned up, ready to go. Everything's good. The oil sling, finally got that apart, was able to clean that out. It actually wasn't too bad. Got my new gasket for that. Cover's cleaned. This is good. And all of this is kind of ready to go. We've got the top end all buttoned up, so we're getting to, really valve adjustment, I think, is one of the things on the list. But man, I've been really kind of puzzling how this all goes back together. I've got this side figured out. I know how that's going to go, but I'm kind of puzzling on that shift fork there. So this side's going to be straightforward, really simple, nothing crazy to see here. Expect this is going to go. I do know that I need to order a couple of bolts for my front sprocket. That's one thing I do need to deal with. And man, I have been looking at books. I've been trying to source different information about how all of this stuff works. Oh, man, it never ends. I'm in the Bill Silver manuals. I'm looking for any reference to a shift fork. And I tell you, I've got pretty much everything sitting here. Just trying to figure it out. So if you've got any information, I think I've got this right now. It's moving through when I go and take my shift fork, align this. Hard to do while I'm looking through a camera. And that's why I'm oriented and I can move through the gears pretty freely on that. I'm pretty sure I've got it, but I'm not really sure. What I'm doing right here is I'm putting it all together, and then what I plan to do is take it all apart and then do a nice detailed video on that. But this is all new territory, and I figured it'd be easier just to put it all together and then take it all apart and then shoot a video for that. So stay tuned for that. Not sure when I'm gonna get there. I just need to confirm this. So I don't want to put it all together and then realize, whoa, it's not shifting right. I don't know why it wouldn't, but you never know. There's so many nuances on these old 305s. And then really I've got just some engine cleaning to do. I want to get it all looking about like this is kind of my goal. And I got to get into some fins and get working on all of that. So just a quick update. Lots of parts here, man. Lots and lots of parts. Glad I got this all cleaned up. This stuff was pretty nasty, actually. So yeah, I think we're doing good. Quick update. Look for a more thorough video later on once I'm 100% confident in the approach on this. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to subscribe. Also hit up that Facebook group, the Facebook Keep On Wrenching community group on Facebook. If you want that free sticker, head on over to Keep On. I think I got it. I don't know. Thoughts? See you in the next video or live stream.